You still have time to work on that summertime bod, and a treadmill will get you there fast. So to help you on your way, we have reviewed over 25 treadmills to present you with 6 of the world's best. Hey guys, I'm Jim with Techie Tech News, and these are the best treadmills of 2025. Links to these products will be provided in the description box below, and please like, comment, and subscribe for more product review videos. At Techie Tech News, we evaluate products for you, so you don't have to. Techno Gym My Run, best compact treadmill. The Techno Gym My Run stands out from other compact treadmills by offering top-tier hardware, and with a 3 horsepower motor that powers a pretty spacious running belt, giving the small overall size of the machine. It's not as long or as wide as the biggest belts, but I had no problem running at max speed of 12 miles per hour on the Techno Gym My Run, so it should accommodate taller users well enough. Although it doesn't fold up, the treadmill doesn't dominate the room like a typically elegant Techno Gym design, which means it's not an eyesore even if you don't have the garage or spare room to use it in. Now the treadmill is 78 by 33 by 69 inches, and the open front makes it feel smaller than it actually is. The My Run doesn't have a built-in screen, but you can mount a tablet to the console and use the Techno Gym app during your workouts, and it's well worth doing so because the app is laden with motivational features. This includes guided workouts, which some you will get for free, with a lot more classes available if you subscribe, with scenic routes around the world. Also, streaming services like Netflix become available so you can watch while you're using the app, and you also get a stats screen along with your favorite show. You can also link the treadmill with Zwift to control your avatar as it runs through Zwift's virtual worlds, and link the My Run to Strava so it not only posts your workouts on there, but also allows you to recreate your outdoor runs on the treadmill with Google Earth showing a live route. And in the future, if you need to find more tech deals, simply visit TechieTechDeals.com. Deer 1 A1 Pro, best treadmill for under $500. A lot of treadmills on this list might seem like overkill if you're a new runner or looking for a machine to walk on, in which case the Deer Run A1 Pro might be what you need instead. Now it's incredibly cheap at just under $400, not to mention the fact that we've seen it regularly on sale for $359. Now we've reviewed this machine for several weeks and we're very impressed given its low price. The belt runs smooth for extended periods at its top speed of 10 miles per hour, and the treadmill folds flat to make it easier to store upright or underneath a couch. Now there are downsides, which you would expect at this price. The running belt is small, and we did feel kind of cramped when we were running at the highest speeds available, not to mention that the inline has to be adjusted manually. The partner PitPat app is also pretty terrible, and you have to use an Allen key to fold up the machine. Now we're not sure that we would back the machine to hold up as well as the Pricer models on heavier duty use, as it did glitch on us once or twice during an hour-long run in one of our reviews, but the problem did go away. But you will also need to maintain this unit with regular lubrications on its belt, but just overall make sure it's maintained. And with that, the Deer Run A1 Pro is a great option for those whose budget runs to hundreds rather than the thousands of dollars for equipment. Techno Gym Run, best commercial treadmill. It is at least double the price of most treadmills on this list, but that doesn't deter you, as the Techno Gym Run is the best commercial standard treadmill that you can get for your home, with top-tier hardware and software. Now the machine itself is built to last many years with constant use, and has a very high top speed of 15.5 miles per hour, plus a 15% max incline, and it also has the ability to mimic weights of up to 121 pounds for sled push exercises, which are great for HIIT workouts. We found that the slated belt on the treadmill and its open front create realistic yet enjoyable running feel, and the belt was easy and large enough to accommodate even our biggest runners at over 6 feet tall, who run regularly at speeds at over 10 miles per hour, and comfortably at that. The treadmill also runs quietly at higher speeds, and the changes of speed and incline smoothly and quickly move. You can use the Techno Gym app on the large 27-inch screen to follow instructor-led workouts, or watch streaming streaming services like Netflix, or even link the screen to Swift. It is a far more open app than Peloton's, giving you access to a variety of entertainment options for your workouts, and also contains skill and technique sessions to help you improve as a runner using the sled push mode on the Techno Gym Run. You will have to pay $8.99 a month to unlock everything in the app, and that's less than most subscriptions. And there is a lot of content available for free, to the point where we don't even think you need to buy a subscription to get what you need from the Techno Gym Run. Now, the downsides of this machine are obvious. As a commercial standard machine, it is large, so you'll need to consider the height of your ceilings, as well as your floor space, because it stands quite high off the floor, and is excruciatingly expensive. Now, Techno Gym and other makes make better value machines, but if money is no object, the Techno Gym Run is probably the best treadmill on earth right now. Bowflex Treadmill 22, best treadmill for runners. The Bowflex Treadmill 22 boasts a top-notch design and build, robust performance, and many accommodating features. It's the treadmill that we've used the most, and our team has run hundreds of miles on it for over a year of training. This high-end machine is as big and as sturdy, or even more so than what you would see at your gym. We found the running surface to be roomy and comfortable, and the huge 22-inch touchscreen makes viewing workouts a pleasure. Not only that, connecting your streaming services through the JRNY app, and you can watch Netflix or Disney Plus while running. And speaking of JRNY app, it is required to get the most out of the machine. Though the treadmill comes with a 2-month free trial, JRNY doesn't offer live studio sessions or community features like Peloton, but it does have plenty of on-demand and adaptive workouts along with scenic runs. You can also get the treadmill directly to apps like Swift, though you will have to run these on a separate tablet. Echelon Stride, best value treadmill. The Echelon Stride sits between treadmill categories. It's not cheap nor high-end. In most categories, it's just fine in terms of build, power, and features. The Stride has fewer bells and whistles than your more expensive treadmills. For instance, it doesn't have an outsourced HD video screen, but you can use the tablet to display the Echelon app and its guided classes. The max speed of 12 miles per hour is easily fast enough to suit most runners, but we didn't have trouble with the belt for being short even when running at higher speeds. It also has a 10% incline and a 3% decline. Now, with a smaller footprint than the Peloton Tread, the Echelon Stride has another major selling point. It folds for easier storage. If you're looking for a cheaper Peloton alternative that's also much more easier stored than the Peloton Tread, then the Stride plus the Echelon Fit app will fit the bill. Peloton Tread, best treadmill overall. The Peloton Tread is easily the best treadmill for guided home workouts. The equipment is easy to use and nicer to look at than most treadmills. Plus, it comes with a large 23.8-inch touchscreen display for your workout stats and Peloton's engaging virtual classes. Rather than display-mounted buttons to adjust the speed and the incline, there is the use of control knobs on each machine's arm, so you can quickly change the intensity. Not that you always need to, as Peloton's machines can adjust automatically during streamed workouts based on the trainer's instructions. The main downside is that to get the most out of this premium machine, you must also pay a massive subscription fee for Peloton's All Access membership, which will set you back about $44 a month, although that does cover multiple users in the home. Now, Peloton's instructors will help you stay motivated throughout the workout session, and having a lot of treadmills with partner apps that contain classes help keep you in the game. However, all's not wasted if you choose to stop your membership. You can continue to use the Peloton Tread if you cancel your subscription in just run mode, and the hardware is impressive with top-tier speed and powerful motor. We also found the front open, which gave us a comfortable feeling when we were running at max speed without worrying about clipping into the console. If this isn't quite hitting the spot for you, we've also tested the Peloton Tread Plus, the brand's larger, more powerful treadmill. The experience isn't radically different, but you do get a more immersive display, better speakers, increased incline, and longer run slated surface. Folks, we hope you've enjoyed this well-reviewed list of treadmills, with one being right for you. Still, if you're unsure as to which model that you should choose, simply comment down below and I will personally assist you. And also remember that Amazon has an excellent return policy to help you minimize the risk. And please let us know which treadmill you would choose. Links to all these items will be posted in the video description box below. And when you're done, check out the next video.